The other thing that happened that was significant, and that brings us to where we're doing this interview, is that I worked closely with Henry at the YIVO, and we had endless conversations about, well, what if we looked at the example of the summer program, which was 5 days a week, 3 hours a day of language class, immersion language class, and then afternoons filled with cultural activities. So you could go to a Yiddish film and discuss it. You would go to a translation workshop. You would have a conversation circle in the afternoon. You would be exposed to native speakers. You would be taught singing, you would have a theater workshop, and we said, okay, so this works for 50, 60, 70 people who are able to devote 6 to 8 weeks of a summer to doing this full-time and having an immersion experience. What if, like Henry's experience of old-time music camp or Balkan music camps, what if you took the model and you flipped it and you had an immersion arts experience, an immersion experience of klezmer music and Yiddish song, and you added to that immersion experience a language class that people would go to for an hour or two during an intensive week. Could we try to do that? So out of the YIVO, because I had an administrative position and Henry was the head of the sound archives, we attempted to launch a program. We went to the old, I think it was Boiberik, which had become something else, and another kind of New Age camp retreat grounds. And we put out a brochure, looked for registration. To break even and to make it work, we needed about 125 people. I think we got in the vicinity of 99, 100. We couldn't make it work that first year. We tried again the following year, and we started out with 150 people or so. And KlezKamp was launched, and that was 26 years ago. And it grew, every year after that. We didn't do it at the place that had been Boiberik. We did it at the Parksville, at a hotel in Parksville, and that was the beginning of this, but it came out of looking at the summer program and saying, well, we could do this for more people in a more kind of accessible format.